If you have never tasted Jamaican steamed fish before, you are seriously missing out. This dish is packed with flavor, loaded with vegetable, and the rich broth alone will make you want another plate. Today I'm going to show you why Jamaicans love steamed fish so much. And if you love Jamaican food, you are definitely going to enjoy this. Welcome back to KK's Kitchen and More, where we share real Jamaican cooking and recipes that bring people together. Today we are making one of the most loved dishes in Jamaica, steamed fish with okra and vegetables. This dish is flavorful, comforting, and honestly, it feels like home for many Jamaicans. As you can see, I have already scaled my fish. I bought it scaled, but you know when you carry it home, some scale always leave. So I finish clean it up, wash it with some sour orange, and here now I am putting in some seasoning. Just black pepper and a little gaya, because the broth and the vegetables I will put seasoning in there, so I don't need to put a lot of seasoning in on the fish, right? I'm just putting some in the head because you know your girl love fish, so I'm going to eat from fish tail right to fish head, guys. So this is it, fish season, and I'm going to cut up the vegetables now. I'm not doing any side, so I'm going to use a lot of vegetables. If you are going to have sides, you don't need to do so much vegetables, okay? So here I've cut up some pumpkin. I'm doing some bell peppers now. And here you have it. I have my okra, scallion and thyme, onions, carrots, pumpkin, bell peppers. I have my grace pumpkin soup. I have my garlic, and yes, these are the fish. So let's go. I'm going ahead now to put in some, I'm using coconut oil, and I'm going to saute my vegetables. You don't have to do this process, but if you do, you will not regret it, because when you saute, you are just bringing out the flavors some more, right? So you can always saute for more flavors, because the heat bring out the flavors in there. So this is a lot of vegetable, guys. I remember I'm not doing any sides, so I will need these vegetables. Going in with piece of fresh thyme, guys, fresh thyme, and going in with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm flavoring it up now, right? That is why we never need a lot of seasoning on the fish, because we're going to season up the vegetable. All right, I also sift in the noodle, just the seasoning section. Going in with some water now. Don't want to put too much water in it, because remember, we are steaming the fish, so it's going to spring its own water, okay? Steamed fish is more than just a meal in Jamaica. It is a meal that you crave, especially on your weekend. And for some of us, payday, yes, you need a good steamed fish and okra. Not fried fish, not brown stew fish. Steamed fish and okra. Yes, guys, so I'm going in now with few pimentos, and then I'm going in with those bad boys. 3 fish, 2 for me, 1 for Obi. Yes, guys, I'm putting in the fish now, putting them head and tail so they can fit. What you are seeing is nothing compared to what is happening in my kitchen right now. The fish are bigger than the pan, so I have to like curve them, and it's a big pot I'm using, guys. These 3 fish weigh 2 pounds. Yes, guys, and I'm putting up the vegetables them now on top, because I'm not going to turn my fish. I don't turn my fish. I just let it steam on one side. So I'm putting some of the vegetable on the top, and getting the fish down. KK family, if you make it up to the 5 minutes mark, type steam fish so I know that you are still here with me. Here I am going in with a few pieces of butter, not too much. As the fish cook, the vegetable release their flavor and create a rich, savory broth. The smell of thyme, pepper, onion, and the fresh fish in the kitchen, guys. It smells amazing. Look at this. Look at this, guys. You want to be in my kitchen to smell how amazing this is. This is the reason people love Jamaican steamed fish. It's a comfort food, guys. Rich, flavorful. Going in now with some more okra. So this okra now, I'm not going to let them steam too much. And these bell pepper, because I need a little crunch. So hence I'm putting this at the end. Pot is bubbling down nicely, guys. This is where I leave it. The next time I see you, I'll be sharing my dinner. It's dinner time. Yes, guys, this is Obi's dinner. One fish for him with vegetable. Remember we said no sides, so it's just vegetable with our steamed fish. Fish looking so rich and nice. The flavor is amazing, and that is exactly why Jamaicans love steamed fish so much. It's flavorful, comforting, and full of culture. If you enjoy this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Do you prefer steamed fish or fried fish? If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the KK family. Let's share my dinner now. This is mine, guys. The biggest fish in the pot is mine. I am the fish lover. You can have some of mine. Do you want some? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Walk good. God bless you.